Question 1. In the article, you learned how Arctic foxes are uniquely adapted to their environment. Describe 3 ways an Arctic fox's body helps it stay warm in the cold Arctic climate. Question 2. Based on the information in the article, which choice below best describes the amount of energy an Arctic fox uses when it hunts prey? A. No energy at all. B. Very little energy. C. Some energy. D. A lot of energy. Give 1 example from the article that supports your answer. 3. In the article, you learn that Arctic foxes are omnivores. Based on what you know about an Arctic fox's diet, circle the animal that might have the most similar diet to an Arctic fox. Either a rabbit, a deer, a brown bear, or a tiger. Question 4. The article doesn't mention whether or not Arctic foxes are an endangered species. If you had to take an educated guess based on the text, would you classify the Arctic fox as endangered, threatened, or populous, meaning there are a lot of them? What clues from the article helped you decide? The scrambled words below are vocabulary words from the article. Unscramble each word and write it on the line. Please be sure each word is spelled correctly. Number 1. Hint. Small rodent that Arctic foxes eat. Number 2. Hint. Something that is used to contain heat. 3. Hint. An underground tunnel or hole where an animal lives. 4. Hint. Spend the winter in a state of sleep. 5. Hint. An animal's ability to blend in with its surroundings. 6. Hint. Environment in which an animal lives. 7. Hint. The region around the North Pole. Last task. In the article The Amazingly Adapted Arctic Fox, you learned many interesting facts about this clever hunter that lives in the northern Arctic. One of the facts you learned is that an Arctic fox's white fur helps it to blend in with snow and ice in its wintry home. This is called camouflage. Choose another Arctic animal that uses camouflage. Describe the animal and how camouflage helps it survive. Write the names of any sources you used for your research at the bottom of this page.